Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect and fully set up Acuity Scheduling inside your Squarespace website. Now, whether you are a coach or consultant or a young student or a yoga teacher or you just need people to book appointment with you online, this tool is perfect. And the best part, it is already built into Squarespace, so let's make it easy and set up from scratch. Now, alright, first thing first, what you have to do is to log in into your Squarespace account and open your website where you want to enable booking. Once you are inside the website editor, look over at the left hand panel as you can see here. Now you will find an option called scheduling. Just simply click on this. Clicking this will launch the Acuity Scheduling setup. Now you don't need to sign up separately. It is already integrated with your Squarespace account. This makes process seamless. Now let's get started with setting your scheduling. Now once you are click on the scheduling, you will see a dashboard that guides you through the step process. If it is your first time, Squarespace will prompt you to create a scheduling account or start a free trial. Now, just follow on the screen instruction to activate. After that, we can start setting up your availability and services. Now, s- now let's setting your available hours. Now let's talk about availability when your clients can actually book you. In the left side hand sidebar, click on the availability. This is where we tell Acuity what days and times you are open for appointments. You will see a weekly calendar, select Sunday to Saturday. Each day has on off toggle. Turn on the days you work and then click into the time box to set up your working hours. For example, you might work on the Monday just simply from 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now you can just enter that in and Acuity will save it. As you can see, just simply click on the enter and this is we have saved. Now need split your shift or different hours on a different days? No problem, you can add multiple time blocks to a single day. For example, I have 3 shifts and from 7 a.m. to from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then again I have a second shift from 11 a.m. Make sure you have given the am in a correct way. Now give a dash and then from till 3 p.m. Now and the third shift will be start from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we have successfully created 3 different shifts as you can see here. If you want to put in every day, you can just simply copy it and paste it over here. So you don't need to create again and again. You can just copy and paste it. Now let's say there is a holiday or a day you are taking off, but it is not a regular day off. So scroll down to the section called override hour for specific days. Let's say you are taking in the third. Now let's you block on individual dates for change the hours for just one day. For instance, if you are unable next Wednesday, you just click, or if you are not available for next Wednesday, then just what you have to do, just click on the date on the calendar and remove the time slot. Just simply remove it and set hours. So changes you made may not be saved. Click on the cancel. So this is there we go, we got closed over here option. Now maybe you are open only half day, you can update that too for super useful for vacation or event. you can schedule things out. Now next, let's make sure your booking rules are set properly. In the same availability section, there is a tab called scheduling limits. In the after the set hours of availability, simply click over here. This controls how soon or how far in advance people can book. Let's say you don't want last minute appointment, you can set a rule like no booking within the uh, f- uh, 24 hours or 8 hours of the appointment time. You can also, for example, just simply replace it from 8 hours. So do not allow clients to cancel or reschedule appointment less than 1 p.m. You do not allow clients to schedule fewer than like hours in advance more. You have to change over here. Now you can set up days in the future as well, and appointment per time slot. You can give that. If you want to increase appointment per time slot, you can increase it by just clicking on this button. So appointment can be doubled booked. So I will just decrease it. Yeah, that's it. Now you can also limit how far into future someone can book, like 30 days or and the whole year. I will choose 60 days now, or even just a week out. Also, if you are offering group appointment like a class or session with multiple clients, you can allow more than one per session, as you can see here, and otherwise leave it at one for solo booking. Now let's create an appointment types. Now come the fun part, to creating an actual service that people can book. Now what you have to do, head to the appointment types. Now come on the home page and click on the appointment types. So here, uh, head here, you can define what you are offering. Now click on the new type, just simply click on the new type of service. Now over here you will see names of your service. For example, I will give a deep anything like how to make tutorial. Now after that you can choose a duration as well, and you can give a description. Description is optional. This is for test. Now you can show a message after scheduling. So after the scheduling, it will just simply show that an option message shown after the booking on the confirmation screen. Thank you for booking. Now what will be the duration of the appointment will be like you can just simply give a duration to like 1 hour. So simply increase the minutes, simply 1 hour. Now if you want like block of time before after appointment, you can minutes before your padding, only visible to admins to help you to build breaks in your schedule. You can give into minutes before appointment or minutes after the appointment. Now what will be the price? Price will be 10,000 rupees. Now if you have a category, right now I don't have a category, so I will just left as it is. Now you can change the color as well, the color of the schedule appointment block on your calendar not visible to client. So you can change the color. Now if you want the private appointment type, only admins and clients with the direct scheduling link can book this, so you can enable it. Now just simply disable. And if you want to add a cover image of your service, you can add. You simply click on add and it will give you the access of your managed files. I will just simply choose a random image. Now over here in the calendar section, you can select which calendar these services can be booked. You can view all calendar, just simply click on it. Now it is unsaved, so yeah, if you want to like if you don't have any intake form for clients to fill out, over here you can click create a form page, and you can create one. If you would like to ask a client extra information, click on it. You must have to save. So what I will do, I will just simply save this information before. Okay, I have saved. Click on it, and let's let's see what we can add. This is a new custom form, or you can just simply uh, click on new custom form. To give a fancy, you can add customs forms to collect information before the session, or let people choose option add. So you can give a form name, and you can give a description. You can add a text box, prompt list, and you can just simply customize it based on your needs. Now you can, if you want to customize, you can customize lots of things. Now let's once you have set everything, availability, service, and design, it is time to put your schedule on your website. Now what you have to do, go back on your home page. Now click on the page in the left menu of Squarespace. Click on the plus icon over here in the navigation bar, and just simply click on and add a new page. So it's like blank page and page layout, so booking appointment or class. So just simply booking appointment, and it will automatically connect with your Acuity setup. Just simply click on it. Now as you can see here, you have now have a live booking page ready to share with the client. And if you want to share this link with the others, what you can do is go back to home page. Just simply, as you can see here, we have our booking page over here. Now I have, if you want to take a preview, you can take it as well, like any availability and all of those stuff I have entered. Now go back into website to see the link. Now go back into Squarespace dashboard. So it's like a different thing. Click on the setup and guide. Let's see if you, oh okay, there we go, your site title and the link. Just copy this link and give it to your client. So right now it will not show up. As you can see here, I have to start a free trial with Squarespace. It will not show up just because I haven't started my free trial. So you can start your free trial just by clicking on the upgrade. You can publish your site over here. Just simply click on the publish. Now I have to upgrade to publish. Click on the upgrade to publish, and it will give you the plan. Now if you want to start free trial, if it is available, right now I don't have any free trial option over here, so I will just simply select the personal one and start billing. Now this is just, and that's it. You have just set up online booking using Audacity inside your Squarespace site, all without touching any code. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.